The very last thing that we have yet to do is making this toggle work so that we can show and hide this input. And that's actually a matter of jQuery. So what we do is have a click listener on this, and when we click, all that we'll do is fade this in or out. So let's go to our jQuery, open up our JavaScript file, and we can just do it at the very bottom. We need to select that icon, which has a class of FA-plus. And then when we click on that, what we want to do, pass in this callback that will be executed for us. And what we need to do is select the input. So I'll just copy this here. Input type equals text. And then we'll fade it out. So fade out. Just like that. And let's go back and refresh. And I'll now click on this and it fades out. But of course it doesn't fade back in. So we'll use fade toggle. And fade toggle will keep track of the state if it needs to be faded in or faded out automatically. And I'll refresh. And now when I click, it automatically fades in and out without me having to write all the logic. All right, so that's it here for the to-do list. A few minor things that we might want to talk about. If we go back to our CSS, it's pretty long and it's not really organized. So there are a few strategies for organizing CSS. One of them is to organize by order on the page so that we're selecting from top to bottom. And the other one that's more popular is to order things by specificity. So we'll start with the least specific item up top, which would be the body. And then we'll add in the rest of our element tags. And then we'll add the rest of our element selectors like H1, UL, our body. And I just noticed we should just merge these two bodies together here. There's no reason to select the body twice. So then we have our H1, ULs, let's add in the LI, and we'll also add in span. And this is just really a matter of preference here.